back here on vectors for the ILS into Birmingham, runway 24.
Area Hotel Alpha, Roger, IFR cancellation received, good day.
We've been on top the entire time after Swainsboro.
Area 88 Romeo, climb maintain 10,000.
Seatbelts.
Seatbelts, shoulder harnesses. Go ahead and run through this. Altimeter's been set. We've already got the weather. AC is set. Landing light, we'll get that with the landing clearance. The fuel system is good. Mixture is set. Brake pressure. We are good. Seatbelt, shoulder harnesses, fuel pump, we'll get that. Mixture as required. Flaps and autopilot.
Air 414 Whiskey,
Flaps,
Yankee Marine approach, yep.
Good.